Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's fast-paced crypto world, traders need more than just a trading platform. So they need security, simplicity, and real power. And that's exactly why today we're diving into Margex, the next generation crypto trading platform built for both beginners and professional traders. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and leave your questions in the comments. And let's get started. So first of all, what is Margex? Margex is designed to make crypto trading safe and easy and also accessible. So you can trade major assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and many more, all with fast execution, so clean charts and powerful tools. So the platform offers up to 100x leverage, so which means more potential profits when used responsibly. So everything is built around security and transparency, so your funds and trades stay protected. And concerning the security, so security is the number one priority for Margex. So they use multi-layer protection, so encrypted bandwidth and price manipulation prevention system. And finally, anti-liquidation protection. So this ensures fair market pricing and eliminates shoddy liquidations. So with Margex, you trade in a transparent and safe environment. So guys, now who can use Margex? So whether you're just getting started or already an experienced professional, so Margex is built for everyone. So beginners love the simple interface while professionals rely on advanced charting tools, fast order execution, deep liquidity, and you'll also benefit from 24/7 live chat support ready to help anytime. So guys, now let's take a look at the Margex interface. So over 5,000 registered users, as you see guys, here 100,000 daily traders and users from 153 countries. So everything you need is accessible with just a few clicks. So you'll find popular trading pairs instantly, like here as you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Doge, and many more. You can also track important metrics such as trading volume, market cap, price changes, and even Ethereum gas fees directly on Margex. Okay, so that's cool. And guys, now let's explore futures trading. So the most powerful feature of Margex. So Margex lets you trade Bitcoin with up to 100x leverage. So analyze charts without needing trading view and use limit, market, and stop orders. And finally, view real-time P&L and liquidation indicators. So there is no expiry date on futures, so perpetual contracts as long as you maintain healthy margin, so you can hold your position as long as you want. And Margex also aggregates liquidity from 11 providers, so meaning smooth and responsive order execution. So their proprietary system helps prevent price manipulation and sudden liquidation wicks. Fair pricing at all times. And one important point, if you don't have time to trade, don't know how to analyze charts, want reduced trading risk, then copy trading is your best friend. So Margex offers a list of skilled verified traders. You can check each traders. So OA percent, so equity size, followers, and strategy chart. So with one click, you can copy their trades automatically. So of course, always do your research before following anyone, but I'm not giving financial advice. But Margex filters high-performance traders carefully, so making it great for beginners. So guys, now let me show you how to join Margex. So joining is extremely simple. So first, click the referral link in the description. Sign up using email, Google, or Apple. So choose whatever you want. Create your password and start trading instantly. So you can deposit crypto in seconds and withdraw safely anytime. So now, why choose Margex over the other exchanges? So Margex stands out because it provides liquidity conditions, anti-manipulation technology, one-click copy trading, and 24/7 live support and high leverage features. And finally, clean user-friendly interface. So it's built by traders for traders. Okay, so Margex is more than just another exchange. It's a complete trading ecosystem that combines security, performance, and accessibility. So if you want to trade futures, copy successful trades, compete for prize pools, and enjoy a smooth trading experience, then Margex is absolutely worth checking out. So don't forget to join using my referral link to access competitions and extra rewards, and drop your questions below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next video. So trade smarter, trade safer, and trade with Margex. Bye-bye.